इस बीच और इन सब के बीच खबर ये सामने आ रही कि पश्चिम एशिया संकट पर संसद में चर्चा हो रही है। विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर जवाब दे रहे हैं। भारत चाहता है कि बातचीत से हल निकले। सीधे आपको तस्वीर से जोड़ते हैं।
Honorable Chairman, sir, in view of the implications of this conflict for our energy security, I also seek to address that particular concern. Government remains committed to ensuring that fully taking into account availability, costs and risks of the energy markets. For us, the interests of the Indian consumer has and will always be the overriding priority. Where required, Indian diplomacy has supported the endeavors of our energy enterprises in this volatile situation. Honorable Chairman, sir, let me conclude by highlighting the three guiding factors of our approach. 1. India is in favor of peace and urges a return to dialogue and diplomacy. We advocate de-escalation, restraint and ensuring the safety of civilians. 2. The well-being and security of the Indian community in the region is our priority. We will continue to work with the governments of the region towards that end. And 3. Our national interest, including energy security and trade flows, will always be paramount. I am confident, sir, that the government has the full support of this august House on this matter. I thank you.
Now, Honorable Leader of the House.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, बहुत तफसील में विदेश मंत्री जी ने वर्तमान परिस्थिति मिडल।
और देखिए, एक ईरान के हमले में भारतीय की मौत हो गई है। एक दुखद खबर सामने आई।